Today we are going to listen to a story called A Snowy Morning. This story uses simple English and is perfect for listening and reading practice. Let's begin. Emma was sleeping peacefully in her bed on a cold winter night. Outside, snow was falling from the sky. The snow covered the streets, the trees, the rooftops, and the cars. Everything became white and beautiful. Emma did not know it yet, but the next morning would be special. As the sun began to rise, Emma slowly opened her eyes. She stretched her arms and looked at the clock beside her bed. It was early in the morning. Emma got out of bed and walked to her window. When she looked outside, her eyes became wide with excitement. Snow was everywhere. The ground was completely covered in a thick blanket of white snow. The trees looked like they were wearing white coats. Even the mailbox near the road was covered with snow. "What a beautiful morning," Emma said quietly. She loved winter. She especially loved snowy days. There was something magical about watching snow fall from the sky. Emma quickly got dressed. She put on a warm sweater. Then she put on her winter coat. She grabbed her hat, gloves, scarf, and boots. Before leaving the house, she looked outside once more. The snow was still falling. Small snowflakes drifted gently through the air. Emma smiled. Then she stepped outside. The cold air touched her face. It felt fresh and clean. Emma took a deep breath. The neighborhood was quiet. Most people were still inside their homes. As she walked down the sidewalk, she heard the crunch of snow beneath her boots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It was one of her favorite winter sounds. Emma decided to walk to the nearby park. The park was only a few minutes away. As she walked, she noticed animal tracks in the snow. Perhaps a rabbit had passed by during the night, or maybe a squirrel. She followed the tracks for a short distance. Then they disappeared behind a tree. When Emma arrived at the park, she saw a group of children playing. Some children were making snow angels. Others were throwing snowballs. A few children were building a large snowman. Everyone seemed happy. Everyone seemed excited. The snowy morning had brought the neighborhood together. Emma walked over to the children building the snowman. "Can I help?" she asked. "Of course," one of the children replied. Together they rolled a large snowball across the ground. The snowball became bigger and bigger. Soon it was large enough for the bottom of the snowman. Next they rolled a smaller snowball for the middle section. Finally, they made a small snowball for the head. Carefully, they stacked the snowballs on top of one another. The snowman was beginning to take shape. One child found a carrot for the nose. Another child brought two small parks for the eyes. Someone found an old scarf. Another person found a black hat. Soon the snowman looked complete. Everyone stepped back to admire their work. The snowman stood tall and proud. It looked friendly. It looked cheerful. The children laughed and took pictures beside it. After a while, snow began falling more heavily. Large snowflakes drifted down from the gray sky. The park looked even more beautiful than before. Emma stood quietly and watched the snow. She felt calm. She felt peaceful. Sometimes life can be busy and noisy, but on this snowy morning, everything felt slow and quiet. Emma appreciated that feeling. Soon she noticed that her hands were getting cold. Even with her gloves, the winter air was strong. She decided it was time to go home. She said goodbye to the children. "Have a great day," she said. "You too," they replied. Emma walked back through the snowy streets. The snow continued to fall gently around her. When she arrived home, she removed her boots and coat. Then she went into the kitchen. She made a warm cup of hot chocolate. The sweet smell filled the room. Emma carried the cup to the living room and sat near the window. She wrapped herself in a soft blanket. As she sipped her hot chocolate, she watched the snow fall outside. The world looked peaceful. The world looked beautiful. Emma smiled. She felt warm. She felt happy. And she felt thankful for the simple joys of life. A snowy morning, a walk in the park, friendly people, and a warm cup of hot chocolate. Sometimes the happiest moments are the simplest ones. The end. Thank you for listening to A Snowy Morning. I hope you enjoyed this easy English story. If this story helped you practice your English listening and reading skills, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us your favorite season of the year. Keep practicing English every day. Keep learning. Keep growing. And I'll see you in the next story. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.